Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video, we'll continue solving exercise 15C from chapter Similarity. So starting with question number 5. ABC is a triangle, PQ is a line segment intersecting AB in P and AC in Q such that PQ is parallel to BC and divides triangle ABC into two parts equal in area. Find the value of ratio BP is to AB. ABC is a triangle ABC. PQ is a line segment intersecting AB in P and AC in Q. There is a line segment PQ which is intersecting AB in P and AC in Q such that PQ is parallel to BC. Okay. And divides triangle ABC into two equal parts. Okay, that is both the parts have equal area, right? So ABQ and PBCQ ये दो फिगर्स फॉर्म हो रहा है by drawing this parallel line. ये दोनों फिगर्स का एरिया इक्वल है. Alright, so area of triangle APQ and area of quadrilateral PBCQ are equal. Area of triangle APQ and area of quadrilateral PBCQ, it is equal. We need to find out the ratio BP is to AB. BP is to AB. Now for that, we have to relate two triangles. Okay, there are two triangles over here, APQ and ABC. So APQ and ABC को कैसे relate कर सकते हैं? They are going to be similar triangles, right? We know by now. So दोनों triangle similar है, पहले वो दिखाएंगे. Then we will relate the areas of the two triangles. By relating the areas, we will get this ratio. Not directly, indirectly मिलेगा. There are a lot of steps. So first thing, हम लोग को पता है area of this triangle is equal to area of this quadrilateral. दोनों फिगर्स को मैं एड अप करूं तो मुझे ये एरिया मिल रहा है, एरिया ऑफ दिस मेन ट्रायंगल एबीसी, राइट? एरिया ऑफ एपीक्यू प्लस एरिया ऑफ पीबीसीक्यू विल गिव मी एरिया ऑफ एबीसी. एपीक्यू प्लस एरिया ऑफ क्वाड्रिलैटरल पीबीसीक्यू will give area of triangle ABC. Now area of PBCQ is nothing but it is equal to area of triangle APQ. So इसकी जगह पे मैं area of triangle APQ पुट कर सकती हूँ since both are equal. Twice area of triangle APQ is equal to area of triangle ABC. This is what we are getting, the relation between the areas of triangle APQ and ABC. So APQ and ABC are similar. Let us see how. We have to show that they are similar. Okay. So देखते हैं कैसे prove करेंगे. APQ and ABC I am drawing separately, not drawn properly, but just try to understand. APQ है. APQ and ABC में एंगल A कॉमन है. मैं PAQ बोलूँ या BAC बोलूँ, इट इज वन एंड द सेम एंगल, कॉमन एंगल है. सो एंगल A के साथ एंगल A इक्वल है इन APQ एंड ABC. ओके, वी नीड वन मोर एंगल, वन मोर पेयर. एंगल P and angle B equal होगा. PQ is parallel to BC, AB is the transversal, so corresponding angles form हो रहा है, F form हो रहा है, so ये दो angles equal होगा. So angle P and angle B are equal. Angle P in APQ, angle B in ABC. Angle P के साथ angle B equal है. I would suggest that you draw like this, it will be easy. Okay. APQ and ABC का बात हो रहा है, Q and C इक्वल होगा, रिमेनिंग एंगल है. ऑल्सो PQ is parallel to BC, AC is the transversal, so automatically corresponding angles हो गया, दोनों इक्वल होगा. ओके, So by AA or AAA criterion, I can say the two triangles are similar to each other. Once the triangles are similar to each other, then I can relate it with the corresponding sides. I can relate the areas of the two triangles with the corresponding sides. What does the property say? There's a property, area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC. Ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. अब कौन सा corresponding side consider करना है? Depending on what we have to find, we need to find out BP is to AB. यहाँ पे BP या AB कुछ दिख रहा है? Yes, I can see AB. तो AB के साथ corresponding side कौन सा है? AP. Very easy to find out. Equal angles देखो, उसका opposite side corresponding. Equal angles opposite side corresponding. Equal angles opposite side corresponding. तो यहाँ पे AB है रेशियो में, तो AB के साथ कौन सा साइड है? AP है. ओके, तो एक बार के लिए वही कंसिडर करते हैं. सो AP squared and AB squared. Right? I'll repeat. Ratio, that is something upon something. Ratio of the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides होना चाहिए. And APQ का side and ABC में उसका corresponding side. Okay, so AP and AB are the corresponding sides over here. Now, I know the relation between the areas of APQ and ABC. Area of triangle ABC is twice the area of triangle APQ. So यहाँ पे I can put twice the area of triangle APQ. I have area of triangle APQ upon twice the area of triangle APQ is equal to AP square upon AB square. This gets cancelled out. Okay. Consider it like some value. Okay. X upon 2x. तो x cancel हो गया. तो क्या बचेगा? Half. So half is equal to AP square upon AB square. Square हटा देते हैं. Taking square root on both the sides, we'll get 1 का square root 1, 2 का square root root 2. नेगेटिव वैल्यूज यहाँ पे कंसिडर नहीं होगा. हम लोग लेंथ का बात कर रहे हैं, डिस्टेंस का बात कर रहे हैं. सो फॉर लेंथ एंड डिस्टेंसेस नेगेटिव वाला पार्ट एक्सक्लूड हो जाएगा. ठीक है. सो नेगेटिव वैल्यू नहीं होगा यहाँ पे. AP upon AB. We got AP upon AB as 1 by root 2. We need BP upon AB. So न्यूमरेटर में BP इंट्रोड्यूस करना है. BP upon AB. Let's look at this main figure over here. BP is nothing but AB minus AP. AB में से AP इतना लेंथ हटा दिया तो BP मिलेगा. So BP is nothing but AB minus AP and AB as it is, क्योंकि मुझे डिनोमिनेटर में AB चाहिए. ओके. Now AB रूट 2, तो वैल्यू पुट करो रूट 2. AP 1 and AB again root 2. So this is the ratio. BP is to AB is root 2 minus 1 is to root 2. Alright, यहाँ पे सिर्फ ब्रैकेट्स पुट करना है. So this is the answer, but we are going to solve with proper steps now. यहाँ पे reasoning नहीं था. Okay, तो हम लोग reason दे के properly solve करेंगे. First, we'll write down the given information. In triangle ABC, we have PQ parallel to BC, where P lies on AB and Q lies on AC. First draw the figure and then start with the solution. So this is given to us. Also we are told that the two figures that are formed by drawing this segment are equal in areas. So area of triangle APQ and area of the trapezium PBCQ are equal. So area of triangle APQ is equal to area of quadrilateral PBCQ. Again, this is also given to us. Okay. Now we know that area of triangle APQ plus area of quadrilateral PBCQ is equal to area of triangle ABC. In other words, area of triangle APQ plus area of triangle APQ is equal to area of triangle ABC. Since area of this quadrilateral is equal to area of triangle APQ. Okay. So give reason over here. Since area of quadrilateral PBCQ is equal to area of triangle APQ. Okay. Box brackets डाल दो, since there are round brackets over here already. Therefore, twice area of triangle APQ is equal to area of triangle ABC. Now we have the relation between the areas of the two triangles. Let us prove them similar. Then we'll relate them with the corresponding sides. So proving APQ and ABC similar by AA criteria. In triangle APQ and triangle ABC, angle APQ and angle ABC are equal. They are forming corresponding angles. Mention the parallel lines and transversal. Since PQ is parallel to BC and AB is the transversal, therefore the two angles are equal. So PQ parallel to BC and AB is the transversal. Also, angle PAQ and BAC are equal. Angle A is the common angle. Okay. Therefore, we have triangle APQ similar to triangle ABC by AA. Postulate criterion test for similarity. जो भी reason teacher ने बोला है, पूरा reason लिखना है. Okay. Now the two triangles are similar, so we can relate their areas. Okay, using the property ratio between the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of the corresponding sides. Ratio between the areas of the two similar triangles is equal to the ratio between the squares of their corresponding sides. You have to give this full reason. Okay. Now we use the property. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC, that will be AP squared upon AB squared. We are going to consider AP and AB because यहाँ पे ratio में denominator में AB है. So AB से corresponding side कौन सा है? AP. APQ and ABC में AP and AB are the corresponding sides. We already saw that. Okay. So area of triangle APQ upon area of triangle ABC is twice the area of triangle APQ. Mark this as 1. Okay. So it will be twice the area of triangle APQ. यहाँ पे value put कर देते हैं. From 1. ये cancel हो गया. We are left with half is equal to AP squared upon AB squared. Taking square root on both the sides. taking square root on both the sides, वन का स्क्वायर रूट 1, 2 का स्क्वायर रूट √2, so 1 by √2, and AP स्क्वायर एंड AB स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर हट जाएगा, AP by AB, therefore AP by AB is 1 by √2. Mark this as 2. We need the value of BP by AB. BP by AB. BP is AB minus AP. Okay, so we'll write it as AB minus AP by AB. AB क्या है? √2. AP 1. Again AB √2. So we are getting BP by AB as √2 minus 1 by √2. BP is to AB. क्वेश्चन में ऐसे दिया है इस टू फॉर्म में, सो यहाँ पे भी इस टू फॉर्म में लिखो. इट इज इक्वल टू √2 minus 1 is to √2. पुट ब्रैकेट्स. ओके, बॉक्स कर दो. ऑल राइट, मूविंग ऑन टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. In the given triangle PQR, LM is parallel to QR and PM is to MR is 3:4. Calculate the value of ratio of first part PL by PQ and then LM by QR. Second part area of triangle LMN by area of triangle MNR. Third part area of triangle LQM by area of triangle LQN. We are given the figure over here. Also we are told that LM is parallel to QR and PM by MR दिया हुआ है. Ratio of PM and MR is 3/4. First we need to find out PL by PQ and LM by QR. PL by PQ and LM by QR. If you notice, PL and LM lie in this triangle. They are the sides of triangle PLM, and PQ and QR are the sides of triangle PQR. So PLM and PQR, ये दोनों triangles को पहले similar prove करेंगे, then we will find out the ratios of the corresponding sides. Okay, so PLM and PQR. Okay, PLM and PQR में angle P is the common angle. LPM बोलो या QPR बोलो, it is one and the same. It is the common angle for both the triangles. So यहाँ पे angle P and PQR में angle P दोनों equal होगा. Okay, for PLM and PQR. Also angle PLM and PQR will be equal. LM is parallel to QR and PQ is the transversal. Therefore, angle L and angle Q will be forming corresponding angles. I'll draw separately so that we can understand better. PQR ये triangle है. LM is parallel to QR. Okay. PLM and PQR equal होगा. Because LM is parallel to QR and PQ is the transversal. So ये दोनों angles equal होगा. This angle L and this angle Q. Okay. So ये join नहीं किया है so that we can understand better. Okay. So PLM में angle L and PQR में angle Q. L and Q are equal. I would suggest that you draw the triangle separately. You will be able to understand better. Okay. PLM and PQR का बात हो रहा है, so M के साथ angle R equal होगा, remaining angle. Okay, and in other words LM and QR are parallel, so and PR is the transversal, so M and R are forming corresponding angles. F form हो रहा है, right? Same with L and Q. corresponding angles हो रहा है. Okay, so the two triangles are similar by AA or AAA criterion. Once the triangles are similar, then we can relate the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. PL and PQ corresponding होगा, LM and QR corresponding होगा, PM and PR corresponding होगा. If you draw it like this, easily मिल जाएगा. And if it is still confusing, equal angles देखो, उसका opposite side corresponding होगा. Equal angles देखो, उसका opposite side corresponding होगा. Equal angles opposite side corresponding होगा. PL by PQ is equal to LM by QR is equal to PM by PR. I need PL by PQ and LM by QR. ये दोनों ही find करना है. For that, I need to know the value of PM by PR. I am given something. I am given PM by MR. PM by MR दिया हुआ है. So let us introduce PR over here. PM by PR. PR is nothing but PM plus MR. So PR को split करके I will write as PM plus MR. Okay. So PM by PM plus MR. PM 3 है, MR 4 है, values put करो. 3, again 3, 4, so that is giving me 3 by 7. So PM by PR is 3 by 7. So these two are also 3 by 7. Alright. So we'll solve this with proper steps and find out the answer. Okay. And then we'll solve for second and third part. Alright. So पहले first part के लिए proper steps के साथ solve करते हैं. First, we'll write down the given information. In triangle PQR, we have LM parallel to QR. Okay, this is given to us. So reason लिख लेना given. This will be useful in showing that angle L and angle Q are equal because they are forming corresponding angles. Okay, since LM is parallel to QR and PQ is the transversal. So now considering the two triangles, in triangle PLM and triangle PQR, angle PLM and angle PQR are equal. They are forming corresponding angles. PLM and PQR. Since LM is parallel to QR and PQ is the transversal. LM parallel to QR and PQ is the transversal. Also angle LPM and QPR are equal. LPM and QPR. Common angle P. Therefore, we have triangle PLM similar to triangle PQR by AA criterion, postulate, test for similarity. जो भी reason है पूरा लिखना है. Okay. Therefore, I have PL by PQ is equal to LM by QR is equal to PM by PR. यहाँ से भी मिल जाएगा. Corresponding sides PL, PQ, first two, next two, first and last. Alright, so if you have named it correctly, then easily you will get the corresponding sides. Okay. Reason लिखना पड़ेगा. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Okay. So mark this as 1. First, we'll find out the value of PM by PR and then put it over here and find out the values of these two ratios. Okay. We have PM by MR equal to 3 by 4. It is given. So PM by PR. PM by PR will be PM by PM plus MR. ओके, PR को स्प्लिट करके लिख दिया. इट इज PM plus MR. PM 3, again PM 3, MR 4, so it will be 3 by 7. Okay, mark this as 2. From 1 and 2, we have PL by PQ equal to LM by QR equal to 3 by 7. All right. Since this is 3 by 7, I can say these two are also equal to 3 by 7. Okay. So box कर दो आंसर को. Separately लिख लो एक और बार. Okay. After writing this, write down PL by PQ is equal to 3 by 7 and LM by QR is equal to 3 by 7. And box the values. Before starting with the second part of the question, let us understand one property. यहाँ पे दो triangles form हो रहा है, ABD and ADC. Over here, two triangles are being formed and both the triangles have something in common. ABD and ADC दोनों triangles का common vertex है A. Alright, so both the triangles have common vertex A. And if you consider A as the vertex for ABD and ADC, then what will be the bases? For ABD, the base will be BD and for ADC, the base will be DC. Okay, ABD के लिए base BD होगा और ADC के लिए base DC होगा. And दोनों का common vertex A है. Two triangles have a common vertex and दोनों का basis जो है it is lying along the same line, same straight line पे दोनों bases lie कर रहा है. Right? BC is a straight line and BD and DC are a part of this line. For two such triangles which have common vertex and their bases lie along the same straight line, the ratio of their areas, area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ADC, it will be the ratio of their bases. ABD का base है BD and ADC का base है DC. How? दोनों triangles का common vertex A है. So vertex से base पे drawing a perpendicular, this will be the height for ABD as well as ADC. है ना, ABD का भी हाइट AM है और ADC का भी हाइट AM ही होगा. हाइट इज द शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द वर्टेक्स टू द बेस. ओके, सो इसके बेस को एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा एंड वर्टेक्स से बेस तक जो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस है दैट इज द हाइट. सो एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABD will be half into base is BD and height will be AM. For area of triangle ADC, it will be half into base है DC and height AM. If I take the ratio, I am left with bases. So two triangles having common vertex and having their bases lying along the same straight line, the ratio of the areas of two such triangles will be equal to the ratio of their bases. This is what we'll apply over here. Okay, so you're supposed to know this property. So let us see how to find this. For second part, we need to find out the ratio of area of triangle LMN and area of triangle MNR. LMN and MNR, ये दो ट्रायंगल्स का एरियाज का रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है. LMN and MNR. Okay. If you notice both the triangles, दोनों का vertex common है. Okay, so I'll draw this separately so that we can understand better. L, M, R and N. Okay. LMN, MNR, दोनों में common vertex M है. If you consider this as the vertex, then यहाँ से base क्या होगा दोनों triangles का? इसका base LN होगा and ये triangle का base NR होगा. Okay. LN will be the base for LMN and for MNR, NR is the base. So, ratio of the areas of triangle LMN and triangle MNR will be equal to the ratio of their bases. LMN का base LN and MNR का base NR. Okay. So we need to find out LN by NR. Do we know LN by NR? No. LN and NR. LN is a side of this triangle LMN and NR is the side of one more triangle which is this. Okay, so LMN and RQN, ये दोनों triangles को relate करना पड़ेगा and LN and NR ये ratio find out करना पड़ेगा. We have LMN and RQN, right? LMN and RQN. These two triangles will be similar because ये vertically opposite angles हैं. Okay, so equal होगा. One more pair of angles we need. We know LM and QR are parallel to each other. MQ is the transversal, so ये दोनों angles equal होगा. Alternate angles form हो रहा है, Z form हो रहा है. So by AA criterion, the two triangles are similar to each other. Since the two triangles are similar to each other, I can relate the sides LN and NR with the sides LM and QR. यहाँ पे हम लोग ने LM by QR find out किया था, it was 3/7. So using that ratio, we'll find out the ratio of LN and NR. Getting it? So first part use करके second part find out करना है. Once we get the ratio of LN and NR, then we'll get the ratio of the areas of triangle LMN and MNR. Okay, so first we need to show that these two triangles are similar. These two triangles are similar. Once they are similar, using the corresponding sides ka ratio, we'll find out LN by NR and then relate the areas of LMN and MNR. Okay, so let us solve now with proper steps. Draw the two triangles separately. It will be easy to find out the corresponding sides. LMN and RQN. LMN and RQN में angle N equal है, vertically opposite angles है. So LMN, okay. RQN को भी ऐसे ही draw करो जैसे LMN को draw किया है. Angle N के साथ angle N equal है. तो यहाँ पे N draw किया है तो यहाँ पे N draw करो. Also we have angle M equal to angle Q because LM is parallel to QR and MQ is the transversal. So Z form हो रहा है. Alternate angles will be equal. M के साथ Q equal है. Okay. L के साथ R equal है. Remaining angles. Okay. So two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, it is sufficient. By AA criterion, I can say the two triangles are similar. Once the triangles are similar, corresponding sides are in proportion. ऑल राइट, सो करस्पॉन्डिंग साइड्स हो जाएगा ln rn, mn qn, lm rq. So in triangle LMN and triangle RQN, name it correctly. L and R are corresponding points, M and Q are corresponding points, N and N are corresponding points. So if you're naming this as LMN, ये RQN होगा. If you're naming this as LNM, ये RNQ होगा. Okay. So LMN and RQN are equal. They are forming alternate angles. Angle LMN is equal to angle RQN, alternate angles. LM parallel to QR and MQ is the transversal. Okay. Angle LNM is equal to angle RNQ. Vertically opposite angles. Full words लिखना है, no short forms. Okay. Therefore, triangle LMN is similar to triangle RQN by AA. Postulate criterion or test for similarity, whatever is the reason. Full reason लिखना है. Therefore, we get LM by RQ is equal to MN by QN is equal to LN by RN. First two, next two, and first and last, corresponding sides. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. We need ln by rn. ln by rn. rn is nothing but nr. Okay, one and the same. So ln by rn required hai. To find this, I'll use this. lm by qr 3 by 7 hai. So this is 3 by 7. So ln by rn is equal to lm by qr is equal to 3 by 7. Okay. So ln by rn 3 by 7 mil gaya. Now we'll consider these two triangles LMN and MNR, okay, and find out the ratio of their areas. Triangle LMN and triangle MNR have common vertex at M. LMN and MNR common vertex M है, and their bases, LMN का बेस है LN और MNR का बेस है NR. LN and NR lie along the same straight line. You have to write this, students, okay? Because हम लोग यहाँ पे एक प्रॉपर्टी यूज कर रहे हैं तो रीजन देना पड़ेगा. Therefore, ratio of area of triangle LMN and area of triangle MNR will be equal to the ratio of their bases, that is ln upon nr or rn. Okay, यहाँ पे rn लिखा था तो यहाँ पे rn ही लिख लो. Okay, ln by rn we got as 3 by 7. So write down, since ln by rn is equal to 3 by 7. All right, so we got this. फर्स्ट पार्ट का आंसर मिल गया है, बॉक्स कर दो. दिस इज 3 by 7. थर्ड पार्ट में LQM and LQN. For that we need MN and MQ. Okay, so MN and QN ये भी 3 by 7 होगा तो यहाँ पे ऐड कर देना. All right, I forgot that part. MN by QN, that will also be 3 by 7. All the three ratios are equal to each other, so all the three will be equal to 3 by 7. तो यहाँ पे तीनों ratios लिख लो, it is equal to 3 by 7. all right, because this will be required over here. For third part, we need to find out the ratio of area of triangle LQM and area of triangle LQN. LQM and LQN. LQM and LQN. LQM and LQN में common vertex L है, okay, common point L है. If you take this as the vertex, then LQM का base क्या होगा? QM. And LQN का base क्या होगा? QN. QM and QN lie along the same straight line. So triangle LQM and triangle LQN have common vertex at L and their bases LQM का base QM, okay, and LQN का base QN lie along the same straight line. Therefore, area of triangle LQM upon area of triangle LQN will be equal to the ratio of their bases, right? LQM का base QM, LQN का base QN. I need QM by QN. I have MN by QN, okay? QM क्या है? It is QN plus MN. Okay. I have MN by QN. It is 3 by 7. So MN 3, QN 7. QN 7, MN 3, again QN 7. So that will give 10 by 7. Okay. So area of triangle LQM by area of triangle LQN is 10 by 7. Alright. यहाँ पे write down. Since MN by QN is 3 by 7. Alright. So putting the values over here. Don't forget to box the answer.